powered by a range of mixer grinders are powered by a heavy-duty hybrid motor which is more durable than similar rated hybrid motors used by other brands. Our mixers are ideally designed for both dry and wet grinding requirements. It easily takes on heavy load assignments and can run up to 20 minutes at a stretch. Coming to the product features, all of our mixers come with 3 speed options and a pulse function offering a multi-purpose utility. You could easily whip all sorts of hard recipes like dosha batter and coconut chutney, as these mixers can handle the toughest of tasks thrown at them. Don't worry about accidental spills, as all the jars are tested to be impact resistant and our strong heat resistant lids ensure complete hands-free operation. Visit the product page on Flipkart to know the complete details on warranty and amazing deals waiting for you.
Butterfly presents 500 watt Hero mixer grinder with 3 jars. It has aesthetically designed ABS body that provides durability and stability. The 500 watt powerful motor allows you to grind and blend tough food ingredients. The motor is enabled with auto cutoff function against overload. This feature ensures long life of the motor. The special ventilator prevents the motor from heating. It has sturdy handles for better grip. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars that are equipped with fixed razor sharp blades for different grinding applications. The 3 speed levels with whip settings allow you to choose different speed levels depending upon the application need. The special rubber shoes help in keeping the appliance in place by preventing it from moving or sliding while in use.
Presenting the Bajaj GX1 mixer grinder with 3 jars that is easy to use and helps you make the cooking process speedier. It comes with a 500 watt motor that is powerful enough to carry out all grinding and blending tasks in the kitchen. It is also equipped with an automatic shut-off feature and a motor overload protector that ensures safety for your appliance. The GX1 mixer grinder comes with 3 sturdy stainless steel jars for liquidizing, wet and dry grinding and chutney making. The liquidizing jar comes with an easy grip handle. The mixer grinder has a multi-function blade system with super sharp blades that makes chopping, mincing, grinding and blending an easy task. The appliance has an elegant design that boasts of sturdiness. The 3-speed setting with incher allows you to control the speed of the motor according to your needs and preference. The Bajaj mixer grinder comes with a 1-year brand warranty.